All right, the start of the day. Need some aluminum foil. Gonna cook some fish today, baby. Some of my whole fish. I don't understand why people don't want the whole fish over fillets, because the whole fish actually tastes better. Well, let me rephrase it. The small whole fish. I mean, if you're getting the big whole fish, it might be a different story. But the small whole fish is the best. So, we got our aluminum foil on. Our fish should be all the way thawed out. Let y'all see that in just a second. But first, I normally don't put this on there, but this is going on there today. The Lux stir fry is going on top of there. Y'all can see that. So that's going on there. But what I always put on there, which is the best, is my pepper onion blend. You can buy all this stuff from Walmart. I'm a cheap joker. Alright, and then we got my fancy spices. Alright, so get over here. There's my fish thawing out. I had them in the freezer. Now they're down there. Now I'm just gonna move them back over here. Get y'all back over here in prime time. So the first thing we're gonna do is get out our olive oil. We're gonna take this olive oil and we're gonna go woo, woo. And there's my dogs in the background going at it. Alright, got that olive oil on there. Extra virgin. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this cooker on. Let y'all see that. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna put it on bake. We're gonna go 400. Start. Alright, now that's gonna be warming up while we over here reminiscing this stuff up. Let me find I got like 6 different types of these, so just gonna grab the first one I seen. And we're gonna rub this olive oil all on here right here. We're still going to use that bad boy. So we're going to go over here and we're going to zoom down right here and show y'all what I do here. I get me some paper towels. And I grab my fish and I dry it off real nice and good. That's a channel cat right there, you can tell because it's got the yellow on top. When they come out of Sardis Lake, they taste just as good as the blues. Alright. That's a blue. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Alright, let me get a little bit more clean on that one. There we go. Another one. Let's check this one here, make sure it's nice and clean, which it was. So we're going to dry that off. Because that water and olive oil don't go good together. I mean, it don't hurt it, but it don't go good together. Grab me another napkin. This one's about soaked out. Paper towel, not napkin. Alright. That's my last one here. Make sure it's all nice and clean up in there. Oh yeah. A little bit of leftover, little something. It would have cooked right on out. It wouldn't have mattered if I did that or not. It ain't gonna hurt the flavor. So I got 3 blues and 1 channel. And we're gonna pop this thing here, let all that water go on out. We're gonna come back over here. Get back on a fish right here. Oh yeah. Let's get a little closer. We don't want to be shy. Oh yeah. Guess I got that on there good enough. So now, at this point, I'm going to take this olive oil. I'm going to put it on the fish. I'm going to take this bad boy right here, rub it all up on there, rub it all up on there. We're going to turn this one backwards, rub it all up on there. And we're going to take my secret ingredients right here, open this bad boy up. We don't want to open it up on that side. Alright, so we're going to shake and bake, baby. I see a lot of people drowning this with sauce. I don't want to. I don't drown mine. I mean, I do it first, but then I rub it in, so it's not really drowned. You gotta kind of rub that in there, so it's all nice. Goes right in there, all nice and pretty. And that paprika up in there, boy. It makes that old orange look. It looks so pretty when you put it up there like that. We're gonna flip this joker over. And we're gonna get this paper towel. Kind of dry my hands off a little bit so I don't get my bottle all oily. We go woof, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Heck yeah, baby. Alright. So this time I'm going to turn them over and get the inside here with the little oil. And the reason I put that oil on it, because I think it makes this go on there better. Put some on the inside there. It could just be my thinking, but that's the reason I put the oil on there, because I think it makes this. Did I turn that all the way over? I sure did. Alright. I'm not trying to drown it, I'm just trying to cover it so I can wipe it. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and wipe that up. Wipe that up. Make sure all the white's got some orange on it. And once we do all that right there, we'll do the inside here. Ooh-wee. What I'm talking about there, baby. Ooh. All right. So let's do a little bit of mixing this down here so it don't start burning. And that's another reason why I like using olive oil, because it don't let it burn. I mean, it does a little bit, but not much. And so after I do that, I put it around the edges so it simmers around it. Alright. So now, like I said, this is normally what I do, but I didn't think I had enough pepper and onion stuff that I normally do, because I didn't go to Walmart and buy no more. So today we're going to add the fry on it, which I like this stuff too. It tastes just as good. Don't let nobody lie to you. Tastes just as good. I've done it before. This ain't no experiment. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional. Alright. Alright. So we're going to let that all sit right there. So now we're going to take the olive oil and go over the veggies. Unless it's olive oil burned right on off, it ain't as fattening as you think it would be. And then we're going to take this sauce right here, go on top of this. All right. And we should be good there. All right. So I'm gonna wait for this to heat up at 400, and I'm gonna cook it for 45 minutes at 400. Oh, there we are, just in time. Let me get another napkin and put this on. All right. Now we got that all nice and beautiful. Gonna go down here. Open this up and get up in here. Put this bad boy right up on this top shelf right here. Like that. Let it sit in there. I'll get up here and we're gonna set this joker. Cooking time. I'm gonna put 50 minutes, but I'm probably only gonna let it run for 45. And there we go. So now we're just gonna sit here and wait, baby. So here we go. It's almost that time. We'll get out our little handy dandy grabbers. Wait for the dinger to go ding, ding, ding. I just want y'all to hear the ding. Should be pretty close now. There you go. Off. Alright. Time for that. Good stuff. Oh yeah. Look how pretty that looks right there, boy. That's some pretty stuff right there. I don't care who you are. Get some of my fine china out of here. See if I can find my favorite spatula, which it don't look like I'm gonna find it. Oh, I found it. It was in the dishwasher. So, and we're gonna grab this, my favorite spatula right here. I'll move this up and put that there. Grab this little thing, cause I don't want to burn my hands. So we're gonna grab this bad boy, put him right there. Grab this bad boy right here, put him right there. Looking good, looking good. Grab this bad boy right here. Put him right there. It could be a she. Don't necessarily have to be a, could be a bad girl. Look at that bad girl right there. Oh no, don't go off on my stove. I gotta clean that. Oh, and then all this good stuff right here. Ooh, I like this. So yeah, that's my meal for the night. Y'all don't be getting off Jay and stuff, cause I'm probably gonna eat half that and throw the other half away. So that's what I get. And then we got some beggars over here saying, "Ooh, we want some too, Dad. We want some too." Say, "I want some, Lila." Lila say, "I want some." Oh, Theodore said he wants some. Theo, say, "I want some, D." Oh, Lila say, "I want some." I want some, Lila. Say it. Say it. Oh, oh, Tucker wants some too. And the best thing about this is that you can just take this right here, put it right there out the way, take this aluminum foil, fold it over on all the corners. Come on out there. Because it cools off after a minute, so it really ain't that hot anymore. I mean, I'm not really touching the pan. Look how clean that pan is. I ain't got to do too much kind of cleaning on it. And that's what we're talking about.